Morning. So I'm now about to start the job I've not been looking forward to. So to continue with the sound deadening and insulation, I need to remove the headliner. Now, by all accounts, it's a bit of a pick of a job, so let's get started on it. So the headliner removal was going swimmingly until I reached the removal of the sun visor. These clips are a nightmare. It probably would help if I had the proper tool, but unfortunately it's a VW thing. Now I've got one off, I can see exactly what needs to be done. I've got a clip here. This is what they look like. I managed to get off by putting 2 screwdrivers down either side and wiggling it for about an hour, and it finally come off. Oh, there we go. So this is what they look like. So I'm going to see if I can find some thin, long, flat nose pliers, and hopefully that should make things a bit easier. Okay, headliner has been removed. Next job is to sound deaden up in that area and also insulate. You can see there's already the factory installed sound deadening. We're just going to add a few bits to this, and then we've got the Dodo liner that we're going to stick on, and then we can get the headliner back in. So cab roof sound deadened and insulated. Because we are going to basically seal off the cab from the back, I've only put a single layer of Dodo mat 6mm down. Once the headliner's back in, we're going to add some more recycled plastic insulation between the headliner and the cab roof, and that should keep things nice and cozy. But not the neatest of jobs, but again, it's all going to be hidden away, so I'm not too concerned about that for this one. Headliner all back in, yes. It's a lot easier to go in once I finally figured out how to squeeze it past those B pillars. It took about half an hour to put back in, and I've only got 1 screw left over. I'm not taking it back out to find out where it goes.